Hello everyone, this is my 2017 Moto Guzzi V7.3 Stone in black. Shout out to the good people at Corsa Mechanica in Toronto, which is where I got these wheels. My series of videos will show you a bunch of stuff that I wish I had videos of when researching this bike, when working on it. Please subscribe and leave any comments. Thank you so much. So, although I love the black color of this motorcycle, one of the first things I knew I wanted to do was give it a little bit of contrast with some taupe and earth tones. So what I did was I found this really incredible company called BAAK, Motocyclettes, link in the information below, and they hand make accessories for a whole bunch of cafe racers and standard motorcycles. So what I did was I ordered it. It arrived here about 3 weeks after I ordered, and this is the seat that I got. I got a few other things as well from them, but this video is I'll show you how to really quickly install this seat. It's pretty easy.
The first things you do obviously is you take this seat off, and the way to do that is you use your Moto Guzzi key. You probably know this already. Stick it in here, turn it a bit, and it unlocks the seat and you can grab it right out. This is actually where Moto Guzzi puts their toolbox. So you take this BAAK seat and you can see the little notch there. That notch actually goes inside there. And the first time you install this, it's going to take a little bit of moving around, because what you're trying to do is you're trying to put that notch into that hole. So let's do it. Kind of just slide it in there. And the first time I did this, I really had to kind of push this and get it secure, and there it is, it's locked. So you can take it out the same way and put it back in. Now what you want to do with this, because it is leather, they give you a leather care ointment cream, and you should just apply that if you're in extremely sunny weather.